Most surveys indicate the so-called underwater mortgage phenomenon is not as bad now as it was during the height of the nationwide mortgage crisis a few years ago, but there are still more than a few people out there who are in the unfortunate situation of owing more money on their mortgage than their house is worth. Rick Masnick is branch manager at the North Smithfield office of Network Funding Residential Mortgage Company, and he joins us this noon hour to remind us of a federal program that can help people in this situation, the Home Affordable Refinance Program,
or as we like to call it, HARP.
What are some of the specifics?
Well, as you know, as you just mentioned, during the downturn of the economy, many homeowners saw the value of their home decline through no fault of their own. And as rates went down, they were left in a position where if they could refinance, now they don't have enough equity to avoid something called PMI, or private mortgage insurance. The amount of the private mortgage insurance would actually take away any of the savings that they would have realized had they been able to refinance at a market rate at that time.
Yeah, that PMI, that private mortgage insurance is stiff, but this program, this HARP program, eliminates the need for that. Is that one of the benefits?
We're talking about specifically Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae loans when we're talking about the HARP program. FHA and VA do have similar programs, but theirs are not part of the HARP program.
All right, so in fact we have that on the list, that the loan has to be a loan backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. It also, according to the guidelines, has to be have been closed on or before May 31st of 09. So that may eliminate some people, but it will take in a lot of others.
That's correct.
All right, how does someone find out if their loan is backed by one of those two mortgage agencies if they don't already know?
One of the easiest ways is simply going online to check if it's a Fannie Mae backed mortgage. You can simply go to knowyouroptions.com/loan lookup. Freddie Mac's site is, this is not a typo, it's www.freddiemac.com/corporate. And each of these sites will bring you to a screen where you'll fill out some basic information, and for security purposes you'll need the last 4 digits of the borrower's primary borrower's Social Security number, and you'll know in just a few seconds if you're backed by Fannie or Freddie.
And we didn't have enough space to put those full addresses. Everything after the slash was not there, but we'll make sure that's included on turnto10.com, our website, after the broadcast is over. Not every lender participates in HARP, so you'll have to check that. Rick Masnick, we thank you very much for joining us.
My pleasure.
And that